Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your local repo is synced and you have a clean working tree. Once done, fetch origin and create a focused branch named feature/your_change off main so changes are isolated. Make sure dependencies install and a quick smoke test passes. This avoids wasting time on trivial failures later. You now have a safe workspace to change code, and you'll understand why isolation matters for reviews and rollbacks, because it keeps history clear and reduces merge risk. You now modify files with intent, one feature or fix per commit. Once changes are made, run the full test suite and linters to catch problems locally. This prevents noise in CI. Then stage interactively with git add p so each commit is focused, and commit with a clear message describing why the change exists. After that, push your branch to origin with git push uorigin feature/your_change so reviewers can access your work and automated checks can run. You open a pull request and explain why the change matters plus what you tested. This helps reviewers focus. Once reviewers give feedback, iteratively address comments, push updates, and let CI rerun. After approvals, merge the PR using the repository policy, squash or merge commit, and then pull main locally to keep your machine current. If you need a rollback point, tag the commit. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit merge conflicts, rebase your branch onto main or merge main into your branch and resolve conflicts locally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.